And there's one special place that you must see when you come to the Holy Land. It's this place. This is the Garden Tomb, otherwise known as Gordon's Calvary. And as you can see, the tomb is still empty. He is risen. He is risen indeed. Now, did you enjoy that? What a wonderful place this is. So inspirational. I hope one day you'll get a chance to come and join us on our next trip to the Holy Land and let you go in that garden tomb and see it for yourself. You will never be the same. Have a great day.